everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find any background song from a video instantly using your phone. This method works on social media like Facebook, Instagram, or any video platform. So let's get started. First, open your Play Store and search for Shazam, Music Discovery. Install the app. Then open it. Now, make sure to allow all the required permissions, especially microphone access. Also, enable the Auto Shazam feature so it can detect songs playing in the background automatically. Next, go to the video where you heard the music. This could be a Facebook reel, Instagram reel, or any short video. Play the video with the sound on. Now, quickly switch back to Shazam and tap the Shazam button. Up here on the top of the screen, tap on it. Within a few seconds, it will identify the song name, artist, and even show additional details like lyrics or streaming links. If you want, you can copy the song name and search it on browser or any music platform to listen to the full track. So yeah, that's how you can identify any song from a video, find background music, and discover songs instantly.